tell me, what if I already have a health insurance policy, but I want to increase the sum insured? So how do I go about it?
Almost all insurance companies give this option to increase the sum insured by your existing policy at time of renewal. Whenever it comes on a renewal, insurance company offers that you can increase your sum insured. Yes, while it will be with slightly increase in premium. This way you can ensure that you have adequate coverage for your and your family's medical needs without paying too much out of pocket.
Yeah, that's nice to hear. Okay, now one more important question. Suppose I don't have a health insurance policy. I missed taking one because of lack of awareness. And now I have been diagnosed with an illness and I want to cover myself.
Yeah, that can also be done, but it's a pre-existing condition. A pre-existing disease is covered only after the completion of the waiting period. That waiting period is usually mentioned in every insurance policy. When buying the health insurance policy, the insurer asks the applicant about the current medical conditions such as kidney problem or a blood pressure, or a person could be diabetic. However, some plans offer cover for even pre-existing ailments, like your own company, Bajaj Allianz's plan. My Healthcare provides even the pre-existing ailments as well. They are included in that. But by and large, all insurance companies put a waiting period for pre-existing diseases, popularly called as a PED cover. So this can vary from 24 months to 48 months.
So that makes sense, at least, because otherwise people will be diagnosed and then take an insurance. So it's always, as you rightly said earlier on, that it makes sense to take a policy at a younger age for securing your future medical risks. So yes, that is really nice to hear again. If I want to buy a health insurance, what are the documents I would require? Are there some basic requirements?
These are very standard documents, Alpana ji, like a simple passport size photograph. Policy proposal form needs to be filled, whether that's a physical form or a digitally. Residential proof is required, age proof is required, identity proof is required. Based on coverage opted by you, your age, medical history, current lifestyle choices, and your residential address, you might be asked to submit a few more documents in case you mention in the plan, in the proposal form, some pre-existing condition. Insurance company may ask you for additional documents.
Yeah, so that's basic KYC, that's definitely would be required.
Correct.
And if I want to cancel my health insurance, what do I have to do?
You can cancel health insurance policy, which is not advisable at all first. And but by informing the insurer that you wish to do so, you can cancel the policy. However, the percentage of refund that you will receive will be dependent on which time in the policy cycle you have initiated the cancellation.
Okay.
So there are certain periods which are allowed by the insurance company that if you cancel the policy in that period, so you may not be levied expenses, but basis the policy terms and condition, you can definitely cancel the policy.
Okay. Yeah. Do you think that we have been talking about this, but do you think a person will be benefited more if they take a policy at a young age?
Definitely, if a person at a young age, there are many benefits available. The very first benefit a customer at a young age is that there is no pre-existing ailments, conditions are there. So, a comprehensive cover can be taken by that individual youngster. And, there is not, much incremental premium also a customer has to pay. It's a cost-effective premium, tax benefits are available, lower chances of, failing a claim. Because if you even lodge a claim with the insurance company by saying, okay, I was unwell, I was hospitalized, there are very few, maybe a rare chance that your claim might get rejected. It's because you are very young and it was a sudden thing, and there's nothing like that insurance company will doubt about it.
Yeah, so it does make sense to take it at a young age. We are reiterating again and again this important point.